All right, so this is the second version of graphing sines and cosines. Now we've got an additional number multiplying by our x. And what that does is throw off the nice input values that we're going to put in here on the left side of our column. So to figure out what input values to put in, you would do 0 divided by 2. That's still 0. And then 90 divided by 2, and that's going to be 45. 180 divided by 2, 90. 270 divided by 2, 135. And then 360 divided by 2 is 180. So now we're going to put those on our graph. So I'll space them out so I have enough room. I'll put a 45 here, skip 2, a 90, skip 135, and 180. Obviously the 0 is still right there. Okay? Now, over here, we will put in our calculator 3 times the sine of parentheses, and then you'll do 2 times 0. This will be 3 times the sine of parentheses, 2 times 45. Okay, so I write that out for you. You don't have to write that out if you don't want, but I'm just trying to show you how to type it in your calculator. For this one, sine of 0 is 0, and so you're going to get 0. For this one, you're going to get 3 times the sine of 90, which is 1. 0 for this one, you'll get negative 3 for that one, and 0 for that one. So now we'd have to assign values here. 1, 2, 3. Here's negative 3 down there. Start out at 0. Go to 3. Go to 90. Negative 3. Back to 0. Here's our... Okay? So, for this problem, the amplitude is still 3. 3 is still our A. And there's your typical sine graph. Let's do a similar one, and we'll do it a little bit shorter-handed with cosine. So we'll see a different curve. So here, each angle is being multiplied by 3. So we'll divide our typical angles, which are these, by 3. Change our input values to 0, 30, 60, 90, and 120. Okay? This is going to be a negative 4, a 0, a 4, a 0, and a negative 4. Just got to make sure you type that in your calculator, right? Okay, so again, I'll put a 30 here, 60 there, 90, and 120. And we'll make this 1, 2, 3, 4 is all the way up there. Okay. Starting at negative 4, at 0, comma, negative 4. Then we go to 30, comma, 0, 60, comma, 4, 90, comma, 0, and 120, comma, negative 4. We typically call this sign like a smiley face, but here it would be a frown because of this negative 4. Put our arrows there, and that's how you do this. Good luck.